Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Boeing's unexpected exit from doomsday plane race, weight loss drugs stir up apparel stocks, Bitcoin surge spells profit for miners, Grand Theft Auto poised to turbocharge Take-Two's growth, Texas inches closer to legalizing sports betting. Plug Power and Conjoin dominate industrial gains and losses respectively. Crypto-linked stocks shine for second week in a row, and ETF movers of the week, Dust, YINN, JDST. Stay tuned after this short ad break as we delve deeper into these captivating headlines. The U.S. Air Force has removed Boeing from the contest to create a replacement for the E-4 billion Nightwatch, also known as the Doomsday Plane. This decision was made due to conflicts concerning data rights and contract conditions. Currently, Sierra Nevada is the sole recognized competitor vying for this contract.
Medications for weight reduction, such as Mounjaro by Eli Lilly and Wegovy by Novo Nordisk, are not only reducing waist sizes but also potentially increasing clothing sales. According to a survey conducted by Stifel, it is suggested that the annual expenditure on apparel could be doubled by 15% of consumers who use these drugs. This could benefit brands like Lululemon, Levi's, and Dick's Sporting Goods. Furthermore, other sectors including energy drinks and convenient nutrition might experience a positive effect as well.
In the month of November, Bitcoin experienced a 9.3% increase. This surge significantly boosted the earnings of Bitcoin miners who receive rewards for validating transactions on the blockchain. The rise was able to counterbalance heightened competition within the industry and was primarily fueled by optimism regarding a potential approval of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as expectations for interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Reginald Smith, an analyst at J.P. Morgan, spotlighted CleanSpark and Iris Energy as leading choices among miners. However, he expressed reservations about Marathon Digital Holdings and Riot Platforms.
Anticipation is high for the release of Grand Theft Auto 6, which is predicted to significantly enhance growth for its creator, Take-Two Interactive. Financial experts on Wall Street forecast that the game could bring in over $1 billion in revenue during its first week and sell as many as 14 million copies upon launch. The online service known as Grand Theft Auto Online Next has the potential to contribute an additional $1 billion in yearly live service revenue. This buzz has led to a surge in Take-Two shares by 53% this year.
The momentum for introducing sports betting legislation in Texas is on the rise, following a $3.5 billion deal by Dallas Mavericks owner, Mark Cuban, to sell a majority stake to Miriam Adelson. Adelson is a significant shareholder in Las Vegas Sands. This transaction has ignited conjecture that lawmakers in Texas might reevaluate the legalization of online and casino gambling. This speculation is particularly relevant considering 37 other U.S. states have already established legal betting markets. These developments occur against the backdrop of an estimated $6.2 billion being wagered illegally on an annual basis within Texas.
The industrial select sector experienced a rise of 2.26% in the previous week, surpassing the S&P 500 Trust ETF, which only saw a gain of 0.83%. Notable performers were Plug Power and Bloom Energy, even though they have seen year-to-date losses amounting to 63.3% and 19.56% respectively. In other news, Embraer witnessed a surge after Porter Airlines placed a solid order for passenger jets. Joby Aviation and Enovix also enjoyed substantial gains during this period. However, not all companies fared well. Conjoin led the pack in terms of declines with over a 10% drop, closely followed by Encore Wire and Rentokil Initial.
During the previous week, there was a decline in short-term U.S. Treasury yields due to weak economic indicators and accommodating statements from the Federal Reserve. Despite this, financial stocks concluded on a positive note with the Financial Select Sector SPDR exchange-traded fund gaining 2.2%. Leading the surge was AI lending platform Upstart Holdings with an impressive 36.4% increase, while stocks linked to cryptocurrency also experienced significant jumps due to Bitcoin's rally. However, not all performed well. Brazil-based Bankinter and Cove saw a decrease of 9.1%, topping the list of losers.
This week in the ETF market, significant gains were observed in Breakwave dry bulk shipping, microsectors gold miners, Granite shares long Coinbase and Valkyrie Bitcoin miners. On the other hand, microsectors gold miners inverse leveraged ETNs and Direxin Daily Junior Gold Miners Index bear shares underwent notable losses. In political news, President Biden praised the advancement in relations with Beijing while China signaled its willingness to collaborate with the U.S.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep thriving. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.